The Tata Altroz features an Android-based infotainment system that powers navigation, multimedia, and connectivity features. Common issues like touchscreen unresponsiveness or app crashes can often be resolved through resets. There are three main types of resets: a simple reboot, a factory reset, and touchscreen calibration. A reboot restarts the system without losing data, useful for minor glitches. A factory reset wipes all data, restoring the system to its default settings. Use this for persistent problems. Touchscreen calibration addresses sensitivity issues or ghost touches. Newer Altroz models, post-2022 facelift, have received OTA updates that improve system stability and reduce the need for manual resets. Always perform resets when the vehicle is parked to avoid interrupting navigation. To reboot the system, press and hold the power volume button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts, or simply restart the vehicle. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase all data, Factory Reset. Confirm with your PIN if set. This will take a few minutes, and you'll need to reconnect your accounts afterward. To calibrate the touchscreen, go to Settings, Display, Touch Calibration, and follow the on-screen prompts. Regular software updates are crucial. Enable auto updates if available. Back up important data before performing a factory reset. If touchscreen issues persist after calibration, check for physical damage. For complex issues or hardware concerns, it's best to consult a Tata service center.